best YouTube to MP3 converter. So hello guys, in this video I'll be talking about the best YouTube to MP3 converter. So first thing what you want to do is to convert your any YouTube videos to MP3. All you need to do is just click on any of your browser and just head over to youtube.com, and once you're inside here, make sure you're logged into your account. Just click on this your account section at the right, and from over here what I want you to do is just click on YouTube Studio and wait for some time. And once you're inside here, just click on content, and once you click on your content, you can download any of the video which you like to convert in the MP3 version. So let me just select this one. So I will click on this download button over here, and as you can see I've already downloaded my video. So once you download it, so before you do any further process, just let me remind you that you must have your VLC media player downloaded on your device. So if you haven't already, just check out this official website of VLC media player, from where you can easily download your VLC based on your operating system. So once you download a VLC, I want you to open up your VLC media player just like this. And what I want you to do is, once you're inside your VLC media player, simply click on this media option, and from over here you can see there is an option called convert and save. So simply click on it and make sure you have added your just downloaded video, which we just downloaded from the YouTube content. So once you successfully added the video of which you want to convert it to MP3, so you can see there is an option called convert or save. So simply click on this one and just click on convert. And from over here what I want you to do is just head over to this profile section, and from over here I want you to choose it as an audio MP3 version. So once you do that, simply select the destination folder. Let's say I want to download this inside the download folder as well. So let me just click on this .mp. So don't forget to click this add the extension called .mp3, and simply click on save and just start the process. And once you start your process, it should be successfully converted into MP3. And if it asks you like this, simply click on overwrite if you don't want the MP4 version anyway. So once you do that, you just have to check out your folder, and as you can see, once you check out your folder, you can see this video has been successfully converted to the MP3. So that is one of the best tool to convert your YouTube videos to MP3. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.